Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable judges, respected teachers, and all my beloved friends. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. First of all, let us express our praise and gratitude to Allah the Almighty, who has given us health, happiness, and the opportunity to gather here today. Secondly, my peace and blessing always be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who brought us from darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am deeply honored to deliver a speech about the role of youth for the nation. We often hear that youths are the hope of the nation. Indeed, the strength and future of a country depend on its young generation, the students, the dreamers, and the leaders of tomorrow. In the Quran, Allah reminds us of the importance of youth and knowledge. In Surah Al-Kahf, verse 13, Allah tells us about the Ashabul Kahf, the young men who stood firm in the their faith. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahnu naqussu 'alaika naba'ahum bil haqq. Innahum fityatun amanu bi rabbihim wa zidnahum huda. Shadaqallahul azim. Indeed, they were youths who believed in the their Lord, and we increased them its guidance. This verse shows that when young people hold strong faith and determination, Allah will guide them to the right path and grant them success. The first and most important role of youth is to seek knowledge. Our Prophet Muhammad said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Hadith Ibn Majah. Education is the key to building a great nation. As students, we are preparing ourselves not just to pass exam, but to serve our society, solve real problems, and innovate for the future. The Quran also emphasizes this. In Surah Al-Mujadilah, verse 11, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yarfa'illahul ladzina amanu minkum walladzina utul ilma darajat. Shadaqallahul azim. Allah will raise those who have among you and those who will given knowledge by degrees. Therefore, every time we study sincerely, we are not just improving ourselves, we are uplifting our nation in the eyes of Allah. Secondly, the youths must uphold good morals and strong faith. Intelligence without characters is like a ship without direction. Prophet Muhammad said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and characters." Hadith Bukhari. In today's digital era, many young people face challenges, distractions, misinformation, and moral decline. That is why we must be wise in using social media, showing respect, and spreading kindness. A strong nation is not built on intelligence, but also on honesty, discipline, and faith, the value that makes us true Muslim and responsible citizen. Third, the youth play a key role in leadership and social service. We don't have to wait to become adult to make a difference. Even the Prophet Muhammad was entrusted with great responsibilities in his youth. He said, "Every one of you is a shepherd, and every one of you will be asked about his flock." Hadith Bukhari and Muslim. This means we all have responsibilities to our family, school, community, and nation. By being active in organization, caring for the environment, and helping others, we can shape ourselves into responsible leaders who bring benefit to society. Ladies and gentlemen, the Quran, the Hadith, and history all remind us that youth are the builders of the future. We are the next generation who will lead this nation in science, in economy, in education, and in faith. So, let us change ourselves first by learning with passion, acting with honesty, and serving with sincerity. Let us rise as the youth of faith, the youth of knowledge, and the youth of action. because the future of our nation and the blessing of Allah belong to those who thrive with purpose and integrity. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.